To view a speed profile in MyGeotab, come over here to Safety, Speed Profile. Select a date period, choose a vehicle, and toggle this on if you'd like to include speed limits for commercial trucks. Click Apply Changes, and wait for the profile to load. Here we can see all the trips this vehicle took for the day, and we can zoom in to take a look at any trip in greater detail. The first thing to note here is that there are red lines to indicate the actual speed limit, yellow lines to indicate places where the system doesn't know the limit, so is using an estimate, and places where there are no lines, usually indicating that the vehicle isn't in motion, but sometimes indicating places where there is no speed limit, such as when a vehicle is on a ramp to enter or exit a highway. You can click and drag the view to change the reference window, and moving your mouse around this main graph will show you the vehicle's speed at specific times throughout its trip.